Greetings, listeners of the Amsterdam show. This is Twist from Twisted Fock and the Rockin' Billhillies. Just to let you know, your CD has finally been released and can be purchased through our site on SoundClick at www.soundclick.com/Twisted Fock and the Rockin' Billhillies. Or you can get a hold of our good man, Len Amsterdam, if you have any problems at all. We now return you to the regularly scheduled Len Amsterdam show program. Y'all be cool.
Twisted Fock and the Rockin' Billhillies. That's a mouthful, huh? Here is some good old entertainment with a rockabilly group of funksters from Brisbane, Australia. This band has really breathed new life into a classic genre of music. The New Big Thunder from Down Under, Twisted Fock and the Rockin' Billhillies.